Sloka number 12. तस्य संजनयन् हर्षं कुरुवृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दग्धौ प्रतापवान्. तस्य संजनयन् हर्षं, his joy, harsham, showing that joy, Kuruvruddhaha Pitamaha, as the grand old man of Kuru dynasty, that is Bhishma, as a grandfather, with the lion's roar, Simhanada, Vinadyoschai, sounding the sound which came too loud, Vinadyochai, the maximum sound, Shangam Datmau Pitamahan, Pratavavan. Shangam took his conch shell and Datmau, blow, Pratapavan, as glorious person. Why? Because that makes harsham for whom? Duryodhana. To make Duryodhana happy, because the whole war is because of Duryodhana. To make him happy, as the whistle for the war, the conch sound, the opening sound of the war. It came like a roar of lion from Bhishma to make Duryodhana happy. That is what the sloka 12 says. Tasya samjanayan harsham kuruvruddhaha pitamaha simhanadam Vinadyoschai Shankham Dhatmau Pratapavan. Now, sloka number 30. Tata Shankhascha Bheryascha Pranavanaka Gomukhaha सहसैवाभ्यः अन्यन्दः सशब्दः तुमुलोऽभवत्. So this starting sound from Bhishma came immediately. All the other people who are all have to make their on sound, tata. Thereafter, Shankhascha, the conches became sound. Bheryascha, the blow of the bugles came. Panavanaka Gomukhaha, the drums, trumpets. Saha Saivabhya Hanyanda. Suddenly, everyone started creating their own proclamation of readiness for the war. Sashabdastu, with that sound, Alobhavet. It became overwhelming. Tulo, overwhelming. Abhavat, it was full of great sound. Shabdastu, Shabda tumuloha bhavet, abhavet. It was full of sound with various instruments being blown as a proclamation of the war. Tata shankascha vedyascha panavanaka gomukhaha saha saivabhya hanyanda sa shabda tulo abhavet. Now, sloka number 14. Tatashvetar hairyuktaha mahati syandane stitau madhavaha pandavaschaiva divyau shankhau prathat madhu. So, when the Kaurava part made all these various sounds, the other side with Madhava, with Krishna, Pandavas also started whistling, getting ready with the sound of Tatashveter Hayur Yukte, by the Shveta, white horses, put them in yoked, put them in sequence and then tied them perfectly. Mahati Syandane Stitau, with glorious chariot. Stitau, seated there. Madhavaha Pandavaschaiva, both Krishna and the Pandavas, along with Arjuna. Divyau Shankhau Prathat Matu. They blew. Prathat Matu. They blew. Shankhau, the conch shell. Divyau, which is divine. Tata Shvetair Hayur Yukte Mahadi Syandane Stitau Madhavaha Pandavaschaiva Divyau Shankhau Prathak Matu. Now we will go to sloka number 50. Panchajanyam Rishikesha Devadattam Dhananjaya Poundram Dhugdau Mahashankham Bhimakarma Vrgodaraha. Panchajanyam Rishikesha, the conch named Panchajanyam. Rishikesha, Rishikesha is Krishna, Sri Krishna. Why he is Rishikesha? He is a Rishi whose mind is controlled with all the senses and the mind controlled. The topmost position in the sannyasam, Rishi. He made the Panchajanyam sound. Devadattam Dhananjaya. Arjuna made his conch, which is called Devadattam. Poundram Dhatmau Mahashankham. The Pandava. Poundra is the name of the conch by that mighty conch, the greatest Mahashankham. Bhimakarma Vrgodaraha. Bhima, who is the greatest eater. Bhima is explained or described always as a great eater. Vrgodaran means he is fond of eating. He made Because of that, his sound also will be, that is why it is called the Mahashankham, the mighty conch. Bhima made the sound. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjaya Poundram Dhatmau Mahashankham Bhima Pragodara. Now sloka number 16. Ananda Vijayam Raja Kundiputro Yudhishthiraha Nakula Sahadevascha Sukhoshamani Pushpakau. Ananda Vijayam Raja, the conch named Ananda Vijayam. Raja, the king. Kundiputro Yudhishthiraha. See, Sanjaya is addressing Yudhishthira as Kundiputra. That favor, that relationship, that intimacy is what is shown. Raja, Maharaja. There it is respect to Dhritarashtra. But to Kundiputra, Yudhishthira, it is the intimacy, favor. Ananda Vijayam, that is the conch which Yudhishthira used for making his sound. Then along with that, Nakula Sahadevascha. Nakula made sound, Sahadeva also made sound. Sughosha Mani Pushpakau. Sughosham and Mani Pushpakau. Nakula and Sahadeva made this sound. Ananda Vijayam Raja Kundiputro Yudhishthiraha Nakula Sahadevascha Sughosha Mani Pushpakau. Ananda Vijayam Raja Kundiputro Yudhishthira Nakula Sahadevascha Sughosha Mani Pushpakau. Now sloka number 17. Kashyascha Parameshwasaha Shikhandi cha Maharataha Drishtadyumno Viradascha Satyagischa Parajitaha. Satyagischa Aparajitaha. Kashyascha Parameshwasa, the Kashipati, the Raja of Kashi. Parameshwasa, the excellent warrior. That is how he is Kashi Natha. The king of Kashi is described. Shikhandi is the, who is a Maharatha. Drishtadyumno Viradascha. Drishtadyumna is there. Virada is there. And Virada is there. Satyagischa Aparajitaha. They are all great people who cannot be beaten. Kashyascha Parameshwasa Shikhandi cha Maharataha Drishtadyumno Viradascha Satyagischa Aparajitaha. Now sloka number 18. Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashaha Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahu Shankhan Dadmau Shankhan Dadmuha Prithak Prithak. Draupado Draupadeyascha Draupadeyascha. Draupado, Drupada and sons of Draupadi. Drupadan and the sons of Drupadi. That means 5 Pandavas and Drupada. Sarvesha, with all the rulers of the earth. Prithvipate, all the rulers on the earth. Sarvashaha, everyone. Saubhadrascha Mahabahu, Subhadra's son, Abhimanyu. Saubhadrascha, he is also there. He is a mighty armed person, Mahabahu, as equivalent to Arjuna. Shankhan, Datmau, the conch, blow his conch. Prithak, Prithak, individually everyone started making the kahalam, the starting sound for the war. Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashaha Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahu Shankhan Datmau Prithak Prithak. Everybody started making that sound. Now, sloka number 19. Saghosho dhartarashtranam hridayani vridharayat nabhascha prithivim chaiva tumulo venudhadayan tumulo venunadayan tumulo venunadayan sa ghosho dhartarashtranam. That sound, hey, the Dhritarashtra sons, hridayani vridharayat, they got into the hridaya of Dhritarashtra's sons. They got shattered. They got feared. They had fear in them because of the great sounds of the Pandavas. Nabhascha prithivim chaiva, the sky and the earth also would have had the turbulence. Tumulo venunadayan. Tumulo venunadayan. The thunder, which generally, the terrific sound of thunder, equivalent to that was the sound which was made. So who will not, the Sanjaya is adding his commentary, who will not get that fear in the mind? Hridayani vridharayet. Possible. It is not out of place. Saghosho dhartarashtranam hridayani vridharayat nabhascha prithivim chaiva tumulo venunadayan. Now, sloka number 20. 20 and 2 more slokas added to that. So 6 lines together is what is 20. 20 and 21 and half. Or we can say it is 20 with the 6 slokas. 6 lines. Adha vyavastitan drishtva dhartarashtran kabidvajaha pravritte shastra sampade dhanurudyamya pandavaha rishikesham tada vakyam idamaha mahipate adha vyavastitan drishtva dhartarashtran kabidvaja pravritte shastra sampade dhanurudyama pandavaha rishikesham tada vakyam idamaha mahipate. Hey Raja, Hanuman, who is on the top of the Ratha, were Krishna is the chariot driver, Arjuna is sitting behind, on top like a flag Hanuman is sitting. Dhritarashtra Putra are ready for fight. Seeing this, just before the war is to start, with Ayudha Praharam is to begin. That is the description given here. Adha Vyavasthitan Drushtva, seeing thereupon the Vyavasthitan, the array formation, seeing that in that form, Dhartarashtran Kavitvaja, Dhritarashtra's son, the Mangi Binad, Pravritte Shastra Sampade, about to announce the beginning of fight. Dhanurudyama Pandavaha, with all that Pandavas are ready for fighting, taking up the weapon. Rishikesham Tada Vakyam, Sri Krishna at that time Idamaha Mahipate said like this. Rishikesham Tada Vakyam. That sound which came from Rishikesham is the proclamation of the actual fight from the Pandavas side. That is already told. That means they are ready. Idamaha Mahipate. These said what is Mahipate, the kings, what is to be done. Start fighting. O King Arjuna Arjuna spoke to Krishna. So the next few verses are